What's happening, everybody? It's Chris with Lone Wolf DIY. I hope you'll join me today as I head over to Double D Contracting that's owned and operated by my good buddy, Handsome Dan. Once we got his UDM Pro and his switch fired up, we sat down in his office and he went to work getting his primary Wi-Fi network set up. Once he got that primary one up, he went ahead and he got started on his public networks. One for his Double D Contracting company, and then one for the ARC Real Estate company that he shares the building with. If you need help with your own deployment or you've got some questions regarding your network, make sure to check out Ubiquity's website or their YouTube channel. Or you can hang out here and see the average Joe quickly and easily set up his own Lone Wolf DIY network by just sticking around and checking this out. I'm just gonna talk at random here because today is the day we are setting up the UDM Pro, and my man Dan here is on YouTube and he's gonna do a little crash course on the Ubiquity UniFi YouTube page about how to get his UDM Pro fired up. Go for it.
5 minutes?
That's all it takes to set up, bro.
Music's sick.
And if he ever needs any kind of refresher course, he can just hit up YouTube and check out Ubiquity's channel, where as you can see there's lots of other videos with the rest of the equipment if you need some help setting that up. Maybe he's moving to a new spot, maybe he wants to build on to his existing system. There's lots of great resources on YouTube's Ubiquity page. Ubiquity YouTube page, whichever one. Yeah. Jesus, dude.
I'm gonna break it.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, that was really easy.
Oh. Planet one. There you go. Anything going on?
WAN cable plugged in, connecting to the internet. Internet connected.
Holy shit.
Download the app. My Dream Machine Pro. I'm gonna set it up.
Do it. Oh, you wait.
Isn't that convenient?
Okay, now we gotta get your access point up.
All right.
Go to your app store and download Wi-Fi Man.
Man?
Wi-Fi Man, yes.
I should have got a pedicure.
Nah, you're a working man.
I was the hand model for the 1998 Bolivia watch catalog.
Did you quote that like verbatim?
No, I don't think so, but it's
Close enough.
kind of from Zoolander.
So is that the Wi-Fi you're
Yep.
using right there? All right.
Click. Click.
Go to your network app and adopt the switch.
Pending adoption.
Yeah.
I want to adopt this device. It's getting ready. Switch disconnected.
It's doing all its updates and everything. Hit the back button.
So it's doing its thing. Boom, look at that.
Done. Click on it. There it is. Online. So each one of those is going to tell you what's plugged into it. So number one is your UDM Pro, and then the rest of those will tell you all the info as far as like what's plugged in there and what kind of power and data you're getting. All right, so go to unifi.ui.com.
Hey,
There it
popped
is.
up.
Yeah,
Yeah,
popped
shit.
right up. Oh, shit. So right here on your dashboard, it's going to give you all the same info. It kind of like always got a speed test running. There's a gear, a settings gear on the left margin. And this is where you should be able to, oh, watch this.
It's gonna
again.
tell me all about it.
Yeah, good. Well, need me, shit.
Done deal.
So did it show you how to set up your new, yeah, so add a new Wi-Fi network. This will be your primary. And then you saw the option underneath. Yeah.
To do a guest one.
Yes. Yep, so you'll be able to do one, as many as you want. One for D&D and then one for Realtor. What's the realty company? Does it matter?
ARC Real Estate.
ARC Real Estate, yeah. So you'll be able to do ARC Real Estate one and then a double D.
Well, then I'll do double D first.
And there's a lot of different options and things you can do. Like one of the cool things is you can add your own splash page. So if somebody is logging into your Wi-Fi, you'll get a nice quick advertisement for your services. Like, you know, when you try to log into like airplane Wi-Fi, they tell you it's free and then a browser pops up and it's not free and it's total horseshit. Yeah, you can do that. Your primary network is up and running, and then if you want to do a guest hotspot, you can always do that later.
Yeah, I'll let them do it.
All right, cool. So let's get your AP hung up.
Okay.
Okay. Well, that's it for today, everybody. Dan managed to get his UDM Pro, his switch, and his Wi-Fi network set up within minutes. On the next episode, Dan's going to be finally getting to the fun stuff by plugging in, adopting, and running all of his new equipment. And if you all want to help me continue to help small businesses, all you got to do is become one of the Wolf Pack by liking and subscribing and hitting that notification thing in the corner so that way you know when the next episode's coming out. My Wolfpack, small business friends, and I really appreciate your guys' continued support. Make sure to come back and see us. And until then, thanks for checking out the channel and have a nice day. Well, that's it. Fucking train. Are you joking? Well, that's it for today, everybody. Dan managed to get his UDM Pro, his switch, and his Wi-Fi network. What the fuck? It's like he knows I'm recording.